Well, here it is. I finished filming my easy and fast mini scrapbook album, and it is so easy and fast to make. Perfect if you're a beginner crafter as well. Perfect if you've never tried making mini scrapbooks before but fancied having a go. This is the perfect project. So from this card blanks to this super cute mini scrapbook. The one I've made here is using 5x7 cards, and this is the size that I'm going to actually make in the video tutorial. The video tutorial is step by step, and if you pop over to my website, the link will be at the bottom of the video. You can also leave your details and I will forward you the PDF to go with this project as a little bonus, because I haven't done any scrapbook albums for a little bit, so I thought I'd treat you a bit. So the photo mat's in here. Again, I've just covered the corners. I can't see the point of covering a whole photo mat in beautiful paper. It's just a waste. You're going to put a photograph on the top. But what I've done here is I've actually glued little photo corners. So if I can slide this under here, let me slide that bit under there. There we go. So you can slide your photographs under. So if you're using old photographs, you haven't got to worry about them being damaged either. So you've got 8 of these cards in here, so you can put one on each side. So straight away that is 16 photographs that you can quite easily house in this mini book. But you could put photographs on the flaps here. You could put photographs on the inside of the flaps here. You could put memorabilia behind here. You could write some journaling on here. And then big space for a photograph there, put a photo mat there and there. So straight away, minimum 16, but as you can see, you could add so much more. Now, have you noticed something else about this album? Can you see how nicely it lays? Not bulky. It's not sticking out. It just lays nicely so all the pages are there. And if I open it out to the middle and just stand it up, you can see why. Can you see how flat that hinge is? It is amazing. I've used this hinge before and on a freebie tutorial, so some of you that follow me already and have done for the last 6 years on YouTube will already know about it. So I thought I'd use it again because it's something I've not done for a while, and I love the fact it lays beautifully flat in the book. And that is why the front I've left quite plain. I've just put a little flower on there for decoration, but it's all there. So this is just made from a pack of cards, or card blanks, not even the envelopes, and some A4 paper cardstock as well. So I haven't even put a board cover on this, but as you can see, it's beautiful. So perfect for you beginners out there, because if you're going to start off with a project, you want to go in gradually, and this is just the job. A lot of this you seasonal crafters will already have in your crafty stash, so as soon as you finish listening to me, you can watch the next video, which will be the video tutorial, and get started. I made this project just in an afternoon. I had so much fun doing it. It was lovely. Now, you're probably thinking card blanks. Okay, Dawn. So this is the 5x7. I haven't got 5x7 cards. You don't need to worry, because here's one that's made with 6x4 cards. So again, same principles apply. The hinge is the same measurements for the same amount of pages you're going to add. So this is using 6x4 cards. So you can see quite easily you can adapt it to the size card blanks you have if you've already got some in your crafty stash. But then you're probably thinking, well, they're oblong. I might like to make a square one. I've only got square cards at home. You can. I've made square ones as well. Again, the same principle applies. The hinge measurements are the same, and because you're using your card blanks, and if you use your card blanks to make your hinges, you know you haven't got to worry about measuring that length in the hinge itself either. So it just works perfectly with square as well. This is a 5x5 card blanks, and again, look how flat it is on the hinge. So just fantastic. So I know you're going to love making these projects. I've thoroughly enjoyed making them. This one's all ready to be decorated up for somebody's birthday or a gift. So perfect for a little boy. So it could be the birth of a boy, it could be anything. That's why I've left the front cover plain. But you can see square card blanks, 6x4 card blanks, 5x7 card blanks. The possibilities are endless and you are going to have so much fun making this. So watch the next video. Go to my website and download the PDF if you want to keep it with the measurements. And most of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have fun, get creating and make a mini book. And do share with me because I'd love to see what you created. You can catch me over on Facebook or email me any images and I'd love to share them with everybody else. So thank you for listening. I'm Dawn for Dawn's Inspirations and bye bye for now.